Hi guys, welcome back. I made this video to compare the USB-C to 3.5 adapters with a DAC inside, no passive one, and so it's the Google one, the last version, Samsung one, you can see the version on it. It's BGT 615 and the Apple one. So I'm gonna put some comparison. Now this is the Apple version. 1 2 test 1 2, so you can hear the Apple one. So this is the Google version. Test 1 2 test, so you can hear the Google version now. And this is the Samsung version. Test 1 2 test 1 2, so you can hear the Samsung version, the Samsung one, sorry. And I don't have the box anymore. But like I said, I'm gonna order the new one and compare both Samsung in my next video. So the best bet yet for Android user want to record with an external mic, it's the Samsung one by far. So this one is the first version. It's the last version, sorry, of the Google. I saw a video that the guy is measure all the hertz and everything with a program on a PC, and it says like the first version was good, but this version not. Probably the chip inside, the DAC, and the Apple version, it's supposed to be the best one when you plug it on the PC and the chip inside. But I think you need special apps to make it work with Android fully, because the chip, it's not very compatible with Android. So that's pretty much it, guys. Have a nice one. Peace.